Hello everybody, this is my school day. Well, I'm going to school in a little bit, so just oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't already, then do so.
Hey Fetch, it's over here.
Yeah, I'm cool. None of the trackers and me don't get along.
Well, wait till you see this.
That don't seem like such a good idea. You're on your own, Pete. If something just happened, I missed
You
it.
guys see the girl, kind of short, purple hair? Show Marcy. Shoot to kill.
Hey, I heard gunfire. You don't think we can track me?
No, I think they were just off patrol.
Well, I found another one. I left the time to find it. See it? It's a neon marker.
Yeah, got it.
Follow go.
How are you putting a target on your back? They're the ones who really need to be
Yeah, take that. Normally killing people. I'm saving people. Hey, Smoke, you want in on this?
Shoot to kill. No mercy.
Dude, you okay?
Yeah, you still need help?
Don't need it, but I'll take it.
Huh.
It's that guy again!
No
You got
surrender.
this. I'll go find another one of those things. Okay, I think I got the next one. Just keep following the markers. So, how'd you like killing those dealers? It's a fuzzy joke, ain't it?
Yeah, but I mean, as long as we're on a roll, we should take it to the real assholes.
You still hung up on the activists?
I'm just saying, shutting them up for good would be the ultimate fuzzy jolt.
yeah, whatever. Just go get...
Don't forget to tell your friends too. Don't forget to tell your friends about my YouTube channel. Your mom, your grandma.
Yeah, there it is. Go ahead and get your convulsion on.
You first.